All right, this is recording for Chapter 2, Test A. Make sure your name is on the top with your number. Number 1. Taylor took 560 photographs during summer vacation. She placed 12 photos on each page of her scrapbook, but she had fewer than 12 photos to place on the last page. How many photos did Taylor place on the last page of the scrapbook? A. 7, B. 8, C. 9, D. 10. Number 2. Jacob divided 976 by 28 using partial quotients. What is missing from Jacob's work? A. 24, B. 34, C. 112, D. 280. Number 3. Caleb needs to solve the problem 2406 divided by 6. In what place is the first digit of the quotient for the problem 2406 divided by 6? A. Ones, B. Tens, C. Hundreds, or D. Thousands? Number 8. Lauren bought a television that cost $805. She plans to make equal payments of $38 each month until the television is paid in full. About how many payments will Lauren make? A. 15, B. 20, C. 30, D. 38. Number 5. Marla filled up her car's gas tank and then went on a trip. After she drove 329 miles, she filled up her tank with 14 gallons of gas. If she drove the same number of miles on each gallon of gas, how many miles per gallon did she drive? A. 23, B. 23 and a half, C. 24, or D. 24 and a half? Number 6. A restaurant uses 64 potatoes for each batch of potato soup. About how many batches of soup can the restaurant make from its last shipment of 1,325 potatoes? A. 15, B. 20, C. 30, D. 64. Number 7. Ricardo's dog weighs 6 times as much as his cat. The total weight of his 2 pets is 98 pounds. How much does Ricardo's dog weigh? A. 92, B. 84, C. 16, D. 14. Number 8. During a school fundraiser, the 5th grade class sold rolls of wrapping paper. The table shows how many rolls each class sold. The rolls were sold in packages of 4. How many packages of wrapping paper did Miss Slane's class sell? A. 2,688, B. 173, C. 168, or D. 143. Number 9. A t-shirt company plans to hand out 1,830 coupons during May. It will hand out the same number of coupons on each of the 31 days of the month. What is the first digit in the quotient 1,830 divided by 31? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Number 10. Mrs. Tao has 554 books on 7 shelves in her classroom. Each shelf holds the same number of books. She wants to find the number of books on each shelf. In what place should Mrs. Tao write the first digit of the quotient for the problem 154 divided by 7? A. In the ones place, B. in the tens place, C. in the hundreds place, or D. in the thousands place? Number 11. An auditorium has 1,224 seats. There are 36 seats in each row. Tom wants to know how many rows of seats are in the auditorium. What is the first digit in the quotient 1,224 divided by 36. The first digit. A2, B3, C4, D5. Number 12. The local concert hall has 48 concerts scheduled this season. Each concert has the same amount of tickets available for sale. There is a total of 4,560 tickets. How many tickets are available for each concert? A, 1,140. B, 950. C, 105. D, 95. Number 13. The pool director has a list of 123 students who have signed up for swimming lessons. The pool director can register 7 students in each class. What's the least number of classes needed for all the students to be registered in a class? A, 16, B, 17, C, 18, D, 19. 14. An airplane has 416 seats arranged in 52 rows. If there is the same number of seats in each row, how many seats are in one row? A, 21,632. B, 364. C, 8. D, 6. Number 15. The number of children at the library has 3 times the number of adults. The total number of people at the library was 48. How many children were at the library? A, 12. B, 24. C, 32. D, 36. 16. Sophia wants to buy collector boxes that can hold 6 dolls each. How many boxes will Sophia need to buy for her collection of 168 dolls? A, 21. B, 28. D, 34. C, 34. D, 1008. Number 17. The director of a pet shelter receives a shipment of 1,110 puppy blankets. He stored the blankets equally in 27 boxes and put the leftover blankets in the puppy kennels. How many blankets were put in the puppy kennels? A, 3, B, 18, C, 28, D, 41. 18. Kate made 180 ounces of punch for a party. She serves the punch in 8-ounce cups. How many full cups can she serve? A, 8 cups, B, 22 cups, C, 22.5 cups, or D, 23 cups. 19. Sarah babysat 7 times as many hours during the summer break as she did during the spring break. She babysat a total of 56 hours during both breaks. How many hours did Sarah babysit during spring break? A, 49 hours, B, 9 hours, C, 8 hours, D, 7 hours. Number 20. Paloma decided to divide 1,292 by 31 using partial quotients. She uses 30 as her first partial quotient. Which are the partial quotients Paloma should show in her work? A, 30 and 10, B, 30, 10, and 1, C, 10, 10, and 1, or D, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 1.